Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is to review digital design products. Now we already spoke about digital design products here in the playlist before. You can go back and check out that video to understand what they are and how you can create one too. But basically in this method you are going to review other people's products on your blog, on your YouTube channel, wherever, and then simply send people to that particular link and get the affiliate sale. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is and what affiliate sales are, you can go back and watch the previous video and I explained that in that particular video. But basically, because you are the one who drove the sale to that particular product, system is going to recognize your dedicated affiliate link and you are going to be credited for that particular sale. If you don't want to bother with smaller websites, you have big websites like Envato, like Creative Market, like UI8, and then you can review and send people there via that affiliate link on that particular website. Also, how can you get these products to make a review? Basically, you simply have to reach out to those people. You can start by reviewing the products you already purchased, for example, UI kits or WordPress themes or logo makers or whatever you have purchased in the past. Majority of designers have some kind of mock-ups in their computers, so you can review that. Then you can leave an affiliate link to those products. Then after you review all of those that you have purchased, you can, for example, download something for free from Creative Market. They have every single Monday giving away these free products, and Envato Elements has some, so you can review those. And once you reach your limits there, you can simply reach out to these creators and ask them, would you like to collaborate? Because simply send me your premium products, I will make a review, then I will send my viewers, watchers, readers there to your product via affiliate link, so both of us can benefit from this. You, because you're going to make a sale, me, because I'm going to make an affiliate commission on that sale, and that viewer, because they know and understand that they are going to get top quality product because I genuinely review that product, I genuinely like it, and I genuinely think that they should buy it. Obviously, this is going to compound much more the bigger your audience gets and the bigger your audience is. So basically, the more followers you have, the more readers you have, the bigger the chances are somebody is going to buy this product because they know, like, and trust you over the years and over the time you produce that content, whether it's video content or audio content in form of a podcast, for example. And we also spoke about podcast. You can find it in the playlist of this particular playlist, because we spoke about particular design podcasts. But generally, a rule is when people like and trust you, they're going to purchase either your products or the products you are promoting. That's how all of these YouTubers worldwide for decades now are working on YouTube, by promoting all of these other people's products. So you can do that too in form of a design review. Just make sure when you're reviewing to be honest, make sure to actually test the product to see and to understand what designers are searching for. Majority of designers really like named layers and organized layers, layer groups and stuff like that. So make sure to check if that's organized. If you are reviewing Photoshop product, for example, make sure to test it out on an older version of Photoshop just to tell people if it works, for example, on CC 2014 and CC 2022 or whatever version it is at the moment. If you're working on a sketch, for example, make sure to see the sketch Sketch version. If you're working in Adobe XD, make sure to see if it loads correctly and stuff like that. Just be honest, because that way if people make a purchase, they're going to be happy because they know, like, and trust you, and you're just being honest and told them if the product was good or not. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.